Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from NDA first 2025. Here are two questions from this. The slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to fx at x fx is 4 for every real number x, and the curve passes through the origin. What is the nature of the curve? So student, here it is given that the tangent of the curve y equal to fx is given to us at x and fx, which is 4. So tangent is given. Tangent means dy by dx, okay, or dfx over dx, that is given to us 4. So here dfx equal to 4 dx. Now integrating both sides, integration dfx equal to integration 4 dx. So this is fx equal to 4x plus c. Since the curve passes through the origin, since it passes through 0, 0, therefore putting the value f0 equal to 4 into 0 plus x, or we write it as y equal to fx. Okay, so y, we put y equal to 4x plus c. If we put here 0 and 0, so this becomes 0, so therefore c is equal to 0. So equation of curve is y equal to 4x. Therefore equation of curve y equal to 4x, okay, which is a straight line. Now a straight line passing through 1, 4. Now we check that it is passing through 1, 4. So putting this value y equal to 4 and 4 into 1, that is 4 equal to 4. Yes, it is a line passing through 1, 4. It cannot pass through -1, 4 because if we put the values, this cannot be satisfied. If we put a 2, 0, this is also not satisfied. Here parabola is, it is saying in option C parabola, so it is not a parabola. So A is the correct answer of this question. A straight line passing through 1, 4. Now the second question from this is what is the area bounded the curve, the x-axis and the line x equal to 4. So here we have curve y equal to 4x, x-axis and a line x equal to 4. So first we make Cartesian plane, x dash, y dash. Here y equal to 4x. If we put here 4 into 4, we solve them, we got 16. So y equal to 16 means here is a line which is 0, 16 at point 0, 16, and this line is parallel to x-axis, and x-axis is here, and x equal to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a line 4, 0. Okay, this is x-axis and this is the line which is parallel to y-axis. So student, this is 0, 0, which is origin. This is 4, 0, and this is 0, 16, and this become 4, 16. So we have a rectangle. This, if we take O, A, B, C, then area bounded by the y equal to 4x, x-axis and x equal to 4 is equal to this area. This is 4 and this is 16. So length is 16, breadth is 4. So L into V is the area. 16 into 4, that is 64 unit square unit, square unit. So 64 square unit is the area of the curve of the bounded area by the curve x-axis and line. So D is the correct answer of this question. So student, I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.